it's your girl Urbeauty, and I'm back with another video. Today I am doing a video with clip-ins. Guys, I got these clip-ins from Amazon, from urbeauty. Yeah, it's just one pack. I'm not sure if I would need more or not because my hair is very thin, but I don't know. We're gonna see. I already washed, blow dry, condition my hair. I use the wand curler. Use this shit hot. I use the wand curler to wand it to make it blend in, I guess, a little bit to my hair because my hair is a little brown, but this is kind of black. But yeah, so while we doing this and I'm getting this together, I just wanted to talk to you guys because I want to know, how do you guys feel about, I'm sorry, my dash is, I want to know, how do y'all feel about guys that cannot commit? Like, can't commit. They can't do nothing. I can't find any scissors. I'm so sleepy. Y'all, it's like 3 in the morning and I couldn't sleep. So I said, why not record a video? So I don't have any scissors to get this off of here. Like, I can't get this off of here. But yeah, I just feel like, why can't a man commit? So I'm just gonna tell you, I've been talking to, oh, I done dropped something. Oh, I've been talking to this guy. Well, not been, I was talking to this guy. I'm looking at the mirror behind me. I'm sorry, y'all. I've been talking to this guy, and he feels like the typical, I don't want the title bullshit. I don't want the title bullshit. So we was talking for like 3, almost 4 years, on and off. And everything's cool. Like, I really do like I really did like him. Like, I really did like him. But it was just more so like, you know how you just feel like the vibe starts to get off. And this hair is really soft, y'all. You see this hair? It's really soft. And I think it might just blend really good. I never put clip-ins in before, so I really don't know what I'm doing. But I watched a few videos, so I'm going to try put some of these in. But yeah, I will turn around so y'all can see it, but I'm just going to do it like this to see. I don't even know how long this is. Let me see. So that's probably like right here. So I'm going to do it like right here in this middle part right here. Because these like 20-inch, these are 20-inch clip-ins. And I don't know. I'm about to see if they look 20-inch because my hair's kind of looking the same length, but we're going to find out. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. All right. So I'm just going to, actually, I'm not even going to part it. I'm going to kind of just wing it and see. I had a clip. Yeah, so I just feel like we was talking for a while, about 3 or 4 years. And, we was together a lot, spending a lot of time together and just like that. Like, when we first met, I never put no pressure on him to want to talk or, call me your girlfriend or anything like that. It was just kind of like, yeah, we been cool and we been talking, but if we was ever out in public and anybody say, oh, that's your girl, it's like, no, that's not my girl. That's just my homie. Like, is that what you're going to say? I'm just your homie? Like, I don't know. I just have mixed feelings about you being with somebody for that long period of time or talking to somebody for a long period of time. And it's like, they cannot say, yes, you are my girlfriend. Like, you sleep with this nigga every night. You cook dinner. You give them pussy. Like, Let's keep it real. You doing everything. You probably even washing a nigga clothes. So why is it so hard for you to call me your girlfriend? Why? To me, that sounds like you got a bitch secretly somewhere. You're ashamed of me. Or you're just fucking dumb. Sorry. Just plain dumb. So that's how I feel. That's how I feel. Y'all, for me to never put clippings in before, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. If you ask me. So, I'm gonna put this like right here. Yeah, so do you think that I should say something? I mean, not say something. Like, we, of course, you know, we don't really talk anymore. But it's like, it's feelings there, I guess. But I'm not sure if I want to still continue to pursue. What the fuck? What did I say? No corona. So, yeah, I just don't know. I'm just trying to figure out, like, what should I do? Like, should I just leave the situation alone? Should I just move on? I mean, I've been moved on, but it's like, should I, like, 100% move on? So, y'all know I smoke. Well, I don't smoke anymore, but I've been stopped smoking, and I just been back. What the? Okay. So I been smoking this little vape thing. I personally don't like it. I don't like it. It tastes okay, but I don't like it. Yeah, so that's that. It's called Puff Plus. But what I'm looking like back there, you guys? I'm looking like. Am I looking okay? I hope I am. Actually, I put this like right in the middle of my head. I need to take this out. How do you get this out of my head? Oh God. Oh, I think it's this hurts. They go why. Okay. So I'm gonna take it and put it like along the side here and put the other one on the other side because I want like a little bit of volume, I guess. Why is this not working? Oh, it's closed. Y'all, this is the worst clipping talk with me video ever. So I'm gonna snap the other one on the other side. I kind of like them. Kind of like it. It actually do blends nicely with my hair. Okay, clip in. Okay, clip in. Do y'all like them? It's starting to look full, right? See, my hair dropped, but I can curl it again. Do y'all like it? Do y'all like it? Yeah. Okay, Amazon clip-ins. You guys, if y'all want these clip-ins, I'm gonna put it in the description. Put it in the description box. Be lit. So, you know, you can go get you a couple pieces of this bundle. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what should I do about that situation because I feel like I'm a good woman. I'm a good girl. I deserve to be called somebody's girlfriend, you know? Like, if you feel the need that you want to be with me all the time, why can't you call me your girlfriend? You know? I mean, I'm not salty. I'm just saying. So, yeah, my phone had died. I'm sorry. But, yeah, I was just saying, like, I'm, you know, I don't feel no type of way. I just wanted to know. What do y'all think? If y'all can help me out and tell me What y'all think about that situation? Or you think it's just a wrap? Comment below and tell me what y'all think, because you know, girls be tripping sometimes. Do y'all like these clip-ins? Because I think I'm really feeling them. I'm gonna curl this little piece to show y'all, but I think I'm really feeling the clip-ins. Like, I think I never had them before, so I really like this. Like, I really do. So I'm gonna add like some more. I'm gonna add some more pieces right here. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna put this one like in the middle. Yeah, like, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out how to use these things, but so I'm gonna say like this, and then let me see. Yeah, these are really nice clip-ins though. So tight. These are really nice clip-ins. So I'm just gonna put this last little piece in for you guys, or these last couple pieces, and then curl it a few times so you guys can see it. Even though I really like talking to y'all, because I be having a lot to say, okay? Period. I be feeling like I'm JT sometimes. Y'all don't laugh at me, because I be tripping. I be tripping. So just a update on my camera. I actually sent it back, because y'all, that Amazon camera was a bad camera. Like, it was a very bad camera. I can't believe that Amazon would even let them sell that stuff on there like that. Disrespectful. So I think for now, I'm not even gonna I'm lying. I might get a camera next week, because I saw this really pink cute camera that I wanted, and I thought it was really nice. Yeah, I want to move to Atlanta. I love Atlanta. I love the way they talk. I love their southern hospitality. I love everything about Atlanta. And my friends always laughing at me. They always laughing at me, because I be like, I'm finna head out. When somebody do something to me, or I get mad, I feel like I'm finna leave. I'm finna head out. Yeah, I don't know if I'm doing them right, but this one is not secure, so this is not on right at all. Okay, let's see. Let's try it again. Clip it down. Yeah, I ordered a selfie. What's the things called? The ring lights. I ordered one of them circle ones, because I want to move around the house, but my vanity is right here and it has the lights on it, because I like the vanity lights. So I put it here because the lights are okay right here. The ones in the room are not that good, so I just set you guys up on my vanity. I'm actually about to get a new vanity. That is really loud. Yeah, I'm actually about to get a new vanity. I want like a glass one, because right now I have just like a white table one, but I want a glass one, like a mirrored glass one. Y'all, that one pack is actually enough for my hair. The one pack was, I think, $55, I think, for one pack. These are actually nice. Let me turn around so I can show you. Aren't these nice? Can y'all see? You don't see any? Do you? No, it's really nice. I really like it. Let me curl this little top piece for you guys, so you can see what it look like. think I might be a new clipping girl. Ooh. No, really, I really do like these clip-ins. Now, hopefully it's I didn't want to get no real expensive ones because I never had clip-ins, so I'm not sure if I was going to like them, or, you know, Amazon hair is a little tricky, so I just wanted to, you know, get some hair and try it out and see if you guys want a review on these clip-ins, and, you know, let me know how they last. You guys see that? Do y'all see that? Let me do this side. I'm gonna probably do the whole thing tomorrow, but for video purposes, I'm just gonna do a little bit just to show y'all, because I don't really know how to do hair. I mean, I do, but I don't like doing hair. I could actually do hair if I really wanted to, but I don't like it anymore. So what do you guys think? I love it. See, I'm gonna have to figure out how to keep my hair from dropping its curl. I don't know. Do you twist it at night? Like, what do I do? I don't even know. How do you maintain this? I wonder if people take their clip-ins out every night and then put them back in. I wonder if people do that. What y'all think? Because I know I'm not. I'm throwing a bonnet on and should sleep. Okay. What do y'all think? I think I love it. Let me see. You guys, I think I really like it. Let me see. Yes. You could put it behind the ear. Okay. Maybe if I, you know, adjust it, play with it a little bit more. I like it. I like it a lot. I was gonna do a thumbnail. Yes, you guys, I really like these. Thanks for having girl talk with me. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for some more content, because your girl is lit. Okay? Now, hit that notification bell down below and wait for me to pop back up. Peace.